Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change your PC region in Windows 11. The first thing we will do is click on the Start icon and then enter the Settings option. It then falls into the Time and Language category. Then on the right side, click on Language and Region. After this, you will see the Country or Region section. You will see a drop-down window in which if you click, you will have the possibility to modify your country or region information. Select the option you want. If you want, you can also modify the Regional Format section and select the option you prefer from the drop-down box. You can click on the expansion arrow to see with examples how the selected format would look. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.